So hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Leah Macharia. I'm coming live from Africa, Kenya, Nairobi to be specific. Welcome back guys to my YouTube channel. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. This is my retro house guys, as you have been seeing on my previous videos. Make sure you like this video. Let's spend a day together with you guys. We are with Rin here guys, and me. Yes guys, so spend a day with me today here in the city. That's my luggage over there, and I'm cooking some tea. I'm cooking tea. There is madazi here guys, so keep watching this video. So guys, keep watching this video until the end. The weather today is not that clear. It's not that lovely today. As you can see it's somehow dull. Yeah guys, so spend a day with me here in the city guys, with my toddler here. Yes guys, so keep watching this video until the end and enjoy. The tea is ready guys. Guys, soga mom. It's quite hot, very hot.
Yes.
Okay guys, here we go again. I'm cooling it down for Rin so that she can drink comfortably. So these are the madazis guys. So I'm gonna eat this with the tea. Rin had eaten some earlier. The balloon have busted. Oops, mom. Sorry. Takbaye gine. Okay. Pete maji. I'm going to fetch water, guys. Ubebe. This is where we are getting water. The owner allowed us to fetch from his house because the plot does not have water. So I'm gonna have to wash them. So guys, the owner allowed us to fetch the water from his house. Yes, from this house. Soka. Rini, kuja. Siende huko kwa stairs. So guys, Lynn found afraid. They are praying. She slept. I'm cooking rice here, which we're gonna eat some beans. Those are beans, guys, for lunch. So guys, I just finished cooking my food. This is the lunch for us today, guys. Rice and beans. So I'm just gonna sit down here and enjoy. Since we don't have a coach, guys, we don't have a coach, but soon in future we're gonna get a coach, we believe. So let me enjoy my lunch. So hi guys, during the evening, and this is where I stay, guys. This is our rooftop. Then people have put some clothes outside to dry. So guys, continue watching my videos. Watch my videos from the start to the ad so that I can get monetized and get my watch hours, guys. Please watch my videos to the end, from the start to the end, guys. Yes, let's go and check what Lynn is doing. Oh, they are here. Acha na yeye mama acheze, anataka kucheza. Umeanguka? I really don't know what these are for. These are low banana peels. Maybe they make something, I don't know. They have been drying here for days now. The view from the balcony. The view from the balcony, guys. So many houses outside. So guys, these are the things that we got from the market. Some soda, bread, soda for Lynn. There were some eggs. I think these are bananas. That's the thing that we got from the market. This was a pineapple. Thank you guys for watching. Join me on my next video. Bye. Tani kutore.